Friends, welcome to IS with Santosh. Before I again give you one question for the prelims 2023 where you will get 2 marks, let me tell you something very frankly. I am getting every day at least hundreds of calls, messages, telegram. Sir, can I still crack it? I have covered the basic books. Can I still crack it because I have not covered current affairs properly? Guys, do not worry. I have made a list of important topics, important Optima cards and important questions. In the next 18-70 days, if you just cover these topics, there is a very high chance to clear the exam because at least 50 to 60 questions are going to come from that topic, that Optima card and important questions. So guys, my clear message to everyone is yes, you can do it. And how you can do it? Okay, I'll show you in this video also. Okay, but before that, let me just predict one more question in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, you all know after the COVID pandemic started, there is one approach which is called One Health approach is in news. And I am very sure that this year UPSC is going to ask a question on this One Health approach. So what is One Health approach? One Health approach is an integrated approach where we integrate human health with environment health and animal health. So human health is not seen isolated from animal health and environment health because of the rise of the zoonotic diseases which transfer from animals to humans. Okay, so this is very important. One Health approach, an integrated approach towards health where we include human health, animal health and plant health. So UPSC is not going to ask such simple question, what is One Health approach? Everyone will be able to answer it. What is UPSC going to ask? They will ask you the various initiatives started on One Health and they can link it to various organizations which have started that. So guys, Government of India has also started an One Health consortium for One Health, and this is headed by the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology at the DBT National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad, and 27 participating centers are there like AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Jodhpur, veterinary universities like GAD Vasu and TNAU VAS, for surveillance of various zoonotic diseases. So this is a very, very, very important topic which can come in the exam, consortium for One Health. Next, what can come in exam is One Health India program. One Health India program. You can see here Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy has launched One Health pilot project in Uttarakhand. One Health India program. So consortium is different and this One Health India program is different. This is by Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy. You can see here this is all from the PIB. Initiated by department will work with stakeholders of various sectors to improve the livestock health, human health, wildlife health, environmental health. You see how livestock health, animal health, human health, wildlife health, environmental health, all are interlinked. That is what is called One Health. Okay. So the pilot in Uttarakhand will support the creation of One Health framework for India and build strong social infrastructure that support health of the people and the planet. So this is a very, very, very important One Health support unit, One Health framework. Okay, One Health framework, One Health support unit. This is started by Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy in Uttarakhand. This is very, very important. Another important development as far as One Health is concerned is WHO. WHO initiatives, because UPSC will try to link WHO initiative with this One Health approach. So guys, you see such a beautiful card I have made on that. Okay, just by one glance you will be able to cover it. You can see here how is WHO advancing One Health approaches. You can see here WHO is working with FAO, United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, and World Organization of Animal Health, as One Health quadripartite. Quadripartite means 4 organizations are coming together. Quadripartite. Okay, so quadripartite means 4 organizations. You can see what are they? WHO, FAO, UNEP, and World. You can see here World Organization of Animal Health. Okay. This is very important. This year, particularly, this World Organization of Animal Health is very important. World Organization of Animal Health is very, very important. Okay. So this quadripartite, UPSC generally asks this kind of where multiple organizations are linked. They will change one organization and they can trap you. This is very, very important. Okay. So this is very important. Then there is One Health high level expert panel also formed by, you can say, FAO, UNEP, WHO, WOAH on One Health issues. Okay, this is very, very, very important. Okay, so there are a lot of zoonotic diseases which are emerging, like you can see here: H5N1, avian influenza, MERS, Ebola, Zika, COVID-19, and this is going to, basically they are going to have a surveillance on any future pandemic which is emerging. So this is very important. World Health Organization has like collaborated with 3 other organizations: FAO, UNEP, World Organization of Animal Health, to form a quadri-party. This is very important. Okay, so you can go through this card. It's a very important card. And next there is something called PREZODE, PREZODE. PREZODE means Preventing Zoonotic Diseases Emergence. This is very, very important initiative. Okay, PREZODE initiative. This is for, okay, International One Health. It is an international One Health initiative supporting emergence of risk reduction and strategies for zoonotic infectious diseases. Launched in January 2021 during the One Planet Summit on Biodiversity. Okay, that was launched on One Planet Summit on Biodiversity. This PREZODE initiative is very important. The partner countries are Belgium, France, Mexico, Vietnam, Zimbabwe, Cambodia, Costa Rica, Haiti, Senegal, Uruguay, and Commonwealth of Dominica. This is very, very important. This is basically, it is doing what? It is basically, okay, preventing the future pandemic diseases. You can see such a beautiful way of revising card. Many people are scared. Sir, how to cover the entire current affairs in just 18 days? Just have these cards. These cards will make your revision very effective. Guys, I am getting calls from my own students. Sir, I am able to revise the entire environment in just 1 hour, just 2 hours. Just imagine. Entire environment in just 1 hour because they have the cards. Just simply, if you scroll through, you will be able to revise it very quickly. And guys, okay, you can also choose to solve my important questions. All the topics which I have predicted, okay, all the topics which I have predicted, I have included in my this important questions. Please, okay, both the links for the cards and for the important questions I have put in the, okay, link of this video. Please do practice these questions. I can tell you, if you are able to solve my 8 sectional test which is on the most important questions on subject, like one is on economy, one is on environment, one is on polity, one is on geography, one is for science and tech, like this, one is on IR, and 10 FLT. Still you can solve, because 18 tests, one test every day you have to solve. Still you have 17 to 18 days left. If you are able to do this, definitely you are going to crack the prelims examination. Why? Because you are already at 60 or 70 level. I have to just pull you from 70 to 80 level to the 90 plus level, which can be easily done if you get some 5-10 questions which others are not able to do, but you are doing because you have access to these Optima cards, important predicted topics. Guys, my environment and science and tech material is the best in the country. Best in the country, because last year I was the only person in the country who was able to predict many questions like the golden machine, like the probiotics, like greenwashing, many questions. Okay, it was only in the Optima. And this year also I have done a lot of hard work. I have done a lot of analysis, lot of research, and I have tried to cover everything in my cards and my Optima notes. Please go through my Optima notes also. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care. Please do consider liking this video. If you liked the theme which I have selected, I have discussed it like this. If you want me to make more videos, please do comment in the comment box, and please do share this video with other friends. If you, okay, if I see your comments that you need more videos, I'll be making more videos in a day. Already I'm making 3 videos in a day, so I'm gifting you 3 courses in a day. If you want, I can go to 5 videos in a day also. Thank you guys. I am working very hard for you. I hope you are also working very hard for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.